Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks that just like to hang out in the room with me. This is Wyatt, this one's Zena. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe. Today I am super excited because I have a free box to share with you. What? Free, yes. This is Vino, which is a seasonal subscription box, but this one is free. This box in my hand, free. How do you get it? That's what we're going to talk about. Let's get into it. All right, so this one is Vino's introductory box, and you get 3 full-size items and a bottle of wine. By getting this free box, all you do is pay the $3.99 to have it shipped to you. That's it. It's free, and it will enroll you into their seasonal subscription. All right, free. And the value of this box is $104. And you pay $3.99. I mean, how great is that? The seasonal boxes are $64.99, but you get a ton more in those, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. I love Vino. Vino makes an amazing gift. So it is a women's lifestyle subscription box. It's all about rewinding, recharging, relaxing, and giving you a chance to just get together with the girls and, you know, having the moments to just unwind. So I really love Vino for that reason. I've been sharing it on my channel for quite some time. With their seasonal boxes, you also have this added advantage that if you wanted to gift it any given month, they have this easy feature that you can just change the ship to address of the box and just ship it to your mom, your sister, your bestie, whomever you think you want to send that box to, and you don't have to keep it for yourself. If the next season you decide, you know what, I want that box, you just have it, you know, sent to yourself. But you can just change the ship to address anytime that you want and have it sent to whomever you like. So it's nice because you can gift it or keep it. One for you, the next time for me, then for somebody else. It's super fun. All right, so let's get into the free box. On top is going to be my goodies, and then underneath, my wine. All right. And it's a seasonal subscription box, but you get it 5 times a year because I believe there's also a holiday box. So amazing. Let's get into the goodies first. Here's what I see. First up is one of my favorite things. So this is a satin pillowcase. So I always use a silk or a satin pillowcase to sleep because I have baby fine hair, plus my skin. I always want to be careful of that. So this is something incredibly usable. You can it says minimize frizzy hair. This is a standard size, smooth and gentle on skin, which I'm all about. And we're going to open this up and look at it. Let's see what it says about it. It says Studio Dry Satin Pillowcase. The retail value is $20. So nothing elevated here. And it says the smooth surface of the fabric helps to prevent those dreaded bedhead tangles and minimizes friction, which can cause breakage and split ends. You can also say goodbye to pillow creases on your face. Made of 100% polyester. Package includes 1 standard pillowcase with a hidden zipper. So here's what it looks like. It's in a pretty like silvery color. It's 20 by 26. Here's the hidden zipper. See that? That's a nice added touch. So it's in a nice neutral. Would go with a lot. I love that. I always sleep with typically a silk or a satin pillowcase. Always. So that's very useful. What else have we got? And I do think their products are ones that are incredibly functional. Sometimes snacks. All right, next up, now we have the Lip Luster Lip Gloss Squad Easy Glide Formula. Check those out. There's 4 of them. This retail value is $50. These are luxuriously, if I can get the words out, formulated with natural minerals and beeswax to keep lips looking and feeling healthy. With the non-stick, long-lasting formula, you won't have to worry about touch-ups throughout the day. 100% mineral-based, entirely cruelty-free. These look nice. Let's check these out. I love these types of goodies. And you have 4 different ones to choose from. these colors are pretty good. This one I have to see. That one looks like maybe not my skin tone so much, a little orangey. But these are good colors, great variety. We will pick one to try. What do you think? Let's go with this one on the end here. We will try this one. How about this one? This one looks fun. It is Merlot. And I think it looks nice. What do you think? It's nice. It's not as dark as I thought it might be. It looks really nice on. So these are good. I like them. Okay, and I have one more item in my free box, and that is foot therapy. This is the Cocoa Star Foot Therapy Mask. Retail value is $10. This mask is an exfoliating treatment that works to remove dead skin and calluses from the skin on your feet. And it's there's 2 foot masks equaling 1 treatment included in this packet for a 90-minute exfoliating treatment. So you'll see the results in 4 to 6 days, and this retail value is $24. I think this sounds great, right? Because your feet get all scaly and yucky, and you got to get all that off. So this looks really cool. It looks like it's 3 steps, and it looks pretty simple. All right, I'm going to try that. I'm excited about that too. So I think these are pretty good. And then the last item I have here is wine. This one is the Night Vine 2021 California Chardonnay. And you can choose between, for your regular boxes, for the seasonal subscription, you can choose between sweets, red or white, or a mixture. So, and these are full bottles of wine. And yeah, and they come from California or South Africa. And they retail value for $24 each bottle. And that's my box. What did you think? This is the Oh Try Me box. I think this is so much fun. I love that they're giving away a box to try. It does sign you up for their regular subscription, and you do have to stay in it for, I think, at least 1 or 2 boxes. So keep that in mind. But you can keep one for yourself, and you could gift it to make sure that you enjoy it and that you get the most out of your subscription. $64.99 for the regular subscription per season, plus tax. So keep that in mind as well. But for that, you get 5 or 6 items plus 2 bottles of wine. And don't forget, you can keep it or gift it, which is an added bonus that I just love. This is perfect for you to pamper yourself or pamper others, and an amazing gift. I can't wait to hear what you think, so please do comment down below. I will put my link down below in case you would like to grab this free box filled with goodies, as well as sign up and give this box a try. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit that like before you go. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And if you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.